So we're supposed to get another huge wind and rainstorm, so I'm going to take these cinder blocks and I'm going to put them at the bottom of the trampoline on the parts that are still connected, because I'm waiting for new parts to get here for it. But while I wait, I don't want the trampoline falling over again and then breaking other parts that I will not have had ordered. So I'm going to try and get it like locked down with just these 3 more and just hope and pray that it doesn't blow over again. I'm also then going to bring in a bunch more wood because there's going to be a ton of rain coming and it's not that warm, so I'd rather just get a bunch of this stacked in the basement instead of outside. So let's get to work. I have 2 now. I shoved that one right through because the bottom pole wasn't even attached on that end. So I was able to get it right through. Then that one on it, and I'm going to shove 1 more right here. I hope that'll work. We'll see. Let's go throw some wood in. Got a bit of wood in here. Let's go see what the damage to the trampoline is. I'm scared. This thing's like bent, like my metal frame. How the heck did that happen? I wonder if it ripped off the deck. Oh, lordy, lordy, that's not good. What's going on in here? Oh yeah. These ripped out. I'm gonna have to get Jeremy out here to re-screw some of those bolts in there. This one too. Oh my. No good. That doesn't look good. Guess it's a good thing I ordered a whole new frame. I'm amazed that this flipped over. Look at how I put that in there. It somehow flipped over with it. That doesn't even make sense.
So, like this.
Because they're all bent. That one's like pulling it probably because it's pulled the other way. Might have to hold it, push it over your way.
Sec, change the bit here. Got a bit?
Hopefully. I picked out like 4 thick screws.
Yeah.
So today is Jeremy's birthday and we're on our way to the keg. So excited because we haven't been to a keg in years. So we just found out that the keg isn't open for another hour and a half, so we're now at Kelsey's and we're about to head in.
Because we're too hungry.
We're starving, so we're going in. Change of plans. It's pretty in here.
Looks good?
That does look good.
Yeah.
Here's mine.
Yours looks good too.
That's yummy.
Here's mine.
There's Sammy's.
Sam's looks the best.
Yum.
Because you can't eat pizza.
Birthday boy.
So here's my giant cookie that I got for this big in my head.
Oh, beautiful. We have flowers. My poor trampoline. I've got to start taking it apart so when the new parts come, I can rebuild it. So every other one, I have to remind myself for when I go build it again, what it's supposed to look like. So I'm gonna try and flip it because I can't take the springs out until I flip it. Heavy. If I can get this out, would be nice. Let's do it. There's one. Boiling hot. Golly. All right, I got all those out. So let's see if I can flip it. Looks like I should be able to. Hey, yay. Now I gotta go around and pop all the springs out. I hate this job. It's so hard. Okay, that seemed easy, but it is a hard job sometimes. So we got the trampoline put back together. They didn't send me the poles to build the net to wrap around it, so I just got the trampoline up and it's staked into the ground. I ordered 16-inch stakes that are supposed to be for like hurricanes and stuff for a trampoline, so I ordered them and they're in the trampoline as well, which is really good. So we're gonna just kind of like monitor it like this while I wait for the poles for the net. I had to go and reorder them because they didn't come. So while I wait for those to come, I'm just gonna see how this makes out anyway. Sam's been using it and she's just careful. So, I mean, there never used to be nets anyway, so she's giving it a go. And she's really happy to have it back and I'm happy to have it back and I sure hope it doesn't flip over again because what a nightmare that is trying to take it apart and rebuild it. We also got the tent put back together, so it does still need some work because some of the metal is bent on it, so we're gonna have to frame something up to fix it permanently. So I still have the old canopy on it and I'm gonna replace it with a new canopy as soon as we get the metal like re-secured so that it doesn't blow again. We were able to secure the bottoms. See this metal here? This is bent. So we need something to secure that. And over here is broken. This one as well is bent. That one's all good and all the bottoms are secured. So we'll rig something up and then I'll get the new canopy over it and it'll look good as new. He's all ready for his birthday. Birthday boy. Look at, I set some treats up here for later. And I'm gonna make some meatballs. It's just gonna be us, but still. Got some happy birthday signs. We really like to go all out. More happy birthday. Here's his cake. Sam picked it out.